Madola found like this CD just lying in a locker.
On the floor there?
Yeah, and it's these files, man.
I'm not comfortable with this.
It was just lying there.
You should put up a note in the ladies' locker room.
Put up a note?
Hello? Did anybody lose their secret CIA stuff?
I don't think so. Osborne Cox.
Who am I speaking to? What you're engaged in is blackmail?
I'm a mere good Samaritan.
Give me the CD or bust the money!
I've been working on a cocktail called
It's not gonna go off, is it?
Well, let's get in the other room and find out.
You're part of a league of morons.
You can be a spy too, madam.
I am very surprised she did not give us that reward.
What is it?
What is it?
Yes?
That's fantastic.
We'll interface with the FBI on this dead body.
No, God, no. Burn the body, get rid of it.
Okay.
That'll give him something to think about.